Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting adventure with the best Mickey Mouse pirate ship, the Disney Junior Mickey Mouse Funhouse Treasure Adventure Pirate Ship. This playset has captured the hearts of many young adventurers, and we're here to see if it truly lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what you get with this impressive set. This pirate ship is inspired by the Disney Junior Mickey Mouse Funhouse series, featuring our beloved characters like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, and even a pirate weasel named Weaseline. It comes with a whopping 18 pieces, including the ship itself, multiple figures, treasure pieces, and fun accessories like a spyglass and a treasure chest. The ship is designed to be colorful and engaging, appealing to kids aged 3 and up. It's great for imaginative play and storytelling, allowing little ones to create their own pirate adventures right in their living rooms. Now, let's get into the features. One of the standout aspects of this pirate ship is its interactive elements. The ship plays 11 phrases, sound effects, and music. Just imagine your child sailing the high seas, hearing Mickey say, "I just love sailing on the high seas," and singing along to the catchy song, "True Pirates We Be." It adds an immersive element that really enhances the play experience. The ship includes a rotating crow's nest and a ship's wheel that kids can spin to pretend they're steering the ship. There's even a gangplank that reveals a trapdoor, adding a secretive twist to the play. And let's not forget the slide, which allows figures to make a speedy getaway, perfect for those high seas escapes. One feature that parents will appreciate is the built-in storage. The back of the ship swings open to reveal a spacious cargo hold. This means that all those treasure pieces and accessories can be neatly stored away when playtime is over. No more clutter, just fun. And speaking of fun, the ship is equipped with 3 cannons that shoot water balls. Kids can press to launch them, adding a splash of excitement to their pirate battles. It's all about the adventure, and these features certainly help bring that to life. Now, let's talk about build quality. The ship is constructed from durable, child-safe materials, which is essential for active play. It's designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use, so you won't have to worry about it falling apart during those intense pirate battles. Plus, with no sharp edges and small parts that are safe for younger kids, this playset is a great option for parents looking for safe toys. So, is the Disney Junior Mickey Mouse Funhouse Treasure Adventure Pirate Ship worth it? Drop your answers in the comments. Absolutely. It's not just a toy, it's a gateway to imaginative play, storytelling, and adventure. Whether your child is a die-hard Mickey Mouse fan or simply loves pirates, this playset is sure to provide hours of entertainment. At a price point of $53.99, it's a fantastic value for the amount of play and interaction it offers. With so many characters, sounds, and features, your child is bound to love every moment spent sailing the seas of imagination. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more exciting toy reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy sailing, and may your adventures be filled with treasure.